This is Ian with Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions. Today we're going to be looking at the 1730 EK Annual Preventative Maintenance Kit. This kit comes with a door gasket. The door gasket is an annual preventative maintenance part. However, if you are running more consecutive cycles or back-to-back, this might need to be replaced more often. The kit also comes with a single Chamber Bright tablet. Chamber Bright should be used to clean the reservoir as well as the chamber and the valves. This should be used on a weekly basis. The kit comes with new valves as well as plungers, a safety release valve. The safety release valve is located in the reservoir along with the air jet valve. This kit comes with a preventative maintenance guide. This will show you how to change these parts. If you have any questions, please give us a call, 704-966-1650, option 3 for tech support, and please like and follow. Thank you.